Pre-make a coil of wire on a larger wirework gizmo. Make the coils between 4 and 9 mm in diameter. Then trim the coil down to 15 mm by cutting off the end. Take the jump ring pliers and place the coil on top of the upright, inside the pliers, then close them. Place the jump ring pliers on the table at a slight angle. The upright will need to be parallel with the saw. Place the saw in the gap of the pliers and begin to cut through the wire with a steady back and forth motion. You will only be cutting your way through half of each coil. The jump ring will fall out when you open the pliers.